So if your wall condition has the water supply really close to the edge of the outside of the wall condition, then you can use the normal 7/8 spacer bushing, which is this one, and the escutcheon conversion in either an old or new escutcheon cone, and then put the extension on it. This is a 1/2 inch extension, the shortest they make. And then this is a horizontal wall sprinkler head. So once that goes in there, you now can put this in and all of that works out, okay? If your wall condition is further away and there is a gap here, if that is the case, then you then have to switch over to a shorter spacer bushing in our kit. So before you order, I would need to know what your wall condition is, and it should not be this much of a gap. It should be really close, if not touching the outside wall condition. So I need to know which one of these two you would need. The difference between these two Tyco Raven sprinkler heads is this one is a standard pendant style, so 3/8 inch shorter, and this is a horizontal wall sprinkler head. You can use, if the wall condition is where this part is actually inside the wall condition and the hole's bigger and the threads are right on the edge of the wall condition, you can use the shorter sprinkler head in the kit, and now you have threads that will match up with one that is like that.